Welcome to another virtual lab session recorded by your awesome TA. Today we're going to install Spark on one of our cloud instances and show you a demo of the recommendation system. Alright, let's dive into it. This lab is built upon labs 6 and 7, and you can choose whether to use the AWS cloud or to use the Google Cloud platform. It's totally up to you, but in this demo, I'm gonna use Google Cloud. Alright, so first, we need to update the Anaconda to the newest version. Unfortunately, we found out that the package we used in lab 6 and 7 is outdated, so we need to update the package first. To do that, go to the instance you create following lab 6 or 7. So this is the instance I created in lab 6, and I'll go to the browser window here. Wait for it to connect. Alright, so over here we are going to remove all the packages related to the old release. So we can use the Linux command ls to list all the contents. And over here we are going to remove the Anaconda 3 folder and the package. We can use remove -r to indicate that we are going to remove the folder, and just type in the folder name, and then you can list to show, and we are going to remove this package. I'm just going to copy paste, and ls, we can see that right now the directory is empty. Now we are going to install the newest release of Anaconda. If you can open up your lab 8, we already provided the link and command for you to download the package. I'm just going to directly copy it in here. See this repo. You can see the new package was released in 2020. And then run the bash command to unpack. Enter. Yeah, these steps we already did in lab 7, but unfortunately we need to update the package, so we're gonna have to redo the process again. Yes. Alright, so to make use of Anaconda right away, you can just copy the command from lab 6 and 7. And then we need to generate a configuration file. I'm just copying the command from lab 6. And then open the configuration file. And then copy the settings over here. The port number should be 5000. Alright. The last step, you can either launch the Jupyter Notebook to make sure that we have everything installed correctly, but I am confident that I have finished the step correctly. And now let's go into install Java. First, we are going to install Java. To install Java, you can go ahead, type in the code with me, or you can just copy paste everything. This command is to make sure that everything is up to date. So you go ahead to run this. It's gonna update, to check to update all the packages, make sure everything's up to date. Alright, so that's cool. And then we are going to install Java now. JRE, hit enter. It's gonna ask you if you want to continue. Yes. Alright, now we should have Java on our machine, but we can run java-version to make sure we have Java installed. JDK, yes. The next step, we are going to install Scala. So the command to install Scala is really similar to what we did. So just do that, hit yes. And we can go ahead to check if we have installed it successfully. Okay, we can see that it has been installed. And next step, we are going to install py4j packages, but we need to make sure that the package we installed is connected to our Anaconda installation of the Python instead of the Ubuntu's default version. So we can do this in terminal, but we have to export the path. To do this, to make our life easier, there's an alternative way we can do that. It's just we can launch our Jupyter notebook and go ahead to install everything over there. I'm going to connect to the Jupyter notebook. Alright, so right now I can go ahead, go to my Jupyter notebook. The port is 5000. And to copy paste my token is here. Go ahead to paste that there, log in. Alright, so we can do the rest from here. Click on new and terminal. So this one is, we can just install everything automatically over here. So it just connect to the Anaconda package for us, so we don't have to worry about the path. Okay, so over here we're gonna use pep. We're gonna use pep. Let me just change this. We are going to install using pep management tool, py4j. Alright, now we are going to download a package for Hadoop and Spark. You can copy paste the command in lab 8 over here. That's what I did. And then to untar the package. And one last step, we are going to install PySpark. Oh. Pep install. Sorry for the typo. Alright, so this should be our last step for installation, and we can go ahead to take a look at the demo. So in step 7 of lab 8, Zhihan and I provided 2 demos. One is for AWS and one is for GCP. And it's a GitHub link, and I'm going to click on the link and go to the GitHub. Alright, so those are the codes we prepared for the demo. What you can do here is simply copy paste everything here to your instance. Go back here, create a new Python notebook, and just copy paste everything here to run. And one thing I forgot to mention before is that we are using the ratings small CSV file for this system. And you should be able to download the file from Blackboard and upload this file to your, if you're using AWS, upload to S3 storage. If you're using GCP, upload it to the bucket. If you forgot how to do that, I can quickly show you where to find. Okay, so click on the main menu and scroll down to storage. And this is the bucket I created. And going to that, you can see I have uploaded this CSV file over here. And to upload, you can just go to the bucket and click on upload files. You should be able to upload the file from your local machine to the instance. So you can just follow this steps to give a try to run the demo, and if you encountered any questions, please do not hesitate to send us an email and we'll try our best to get back to you. Alright, thank you.